How to play Windows Steam games on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play Windows Steam game on your Mac. It's easier than you think, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to open any web browser on your Mac and go to the official website of NVIDIA. And once you are inside the official website of NVIDIA, look for the download option, select the Mac OS version and download the file. After the file is downloaded, open the DMG file and drag the GeForce Now application into your application folder to install it. And that's it. You will be ready to use the app. Now go to the Launchpad and open GeForce Now. In the top right corner, tap on Login, and this will open a browser window where you can log in with your NVIDIA account. And once you have logged in, the app will confirm your connection. Next, click on the menu button in the top left corner, and once you have done that, go to the settings. And here you will find a section for connection. Tap on Connect to a Steam account, and this will open Steam, allowing you to log in with the details. And once connected, your Steam games will appear on the game section of GeForce Now. You can search for a specific game to see if it is available. While not all games are supported, there is huge selection to choose from, over 1,000 titles. And when you find the game you want, click on it to start playing. GeForce Now connects you to remote Windows server, letting you play the game using your Mac mouse and keyboard seamlessly. It works great and feels just like playing on a PC. And that's how you will able to play Windows Steam games on Mac using NVIDIA GeForce Now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.